Hey guys, I'm Cozy. Which wallet do you prefer? The long one or folded one? It's hard to choose because of their pros and cons. If you don't want to crease your cash or hold many cards, maybe you could get a long wallet. Me? I prefer folded wallet because it occupies less space when I use small bags. Today, I'm gonna demonstrate how to make this folded wallet. If you want to make a long wallet, you don't need to worry for I'm gonna link my previous videos about making long wallets at the end of this video. After watching this project, making a long wallet will be a lot more easier to make. Let's get started. First of all, we are gonna prepare our materials. Now check them out. Next, what you want to do is make a main panel. So now put the fabric on the cotton batting. Our next step is quilt. This is another panel that I quilted. And take our bias tapes. Now put them on the main panels and stitch. Now wrap them out and stick some pins because we are gonna do lettuce stitch at the edges. After doing lettuce stitch, we are gonna attach them and take the zipper, then put it on the main panels. Now stitch along the lines. Next, we're just gonna need is take one fabric to make a coin panel. So now put it on the edge of the zipper and then stitch. Now flip it over and fold it in half. Then stitch. Now take and put the lining. Our next step is stitch along the edge all the way around to fix it. See, we finished to make the coin panel. Next, what you want to do is make the second panel so you can put the interfacing with your iron. Now fold it in half and take the fabric to make our cards holder. See, fold it like an accordion. Then put it on the right side of the second panel. Next, we're gonna need another one just like that. Now trim the excesses of the both edges. The next one that I'm gonna show you is bias tapes. So now you should focus on that 45-degree line, and the bias tape size is 4 centimeters. Let's cut them out. See, hold them front sides facing up and put them front sides together. And you need some seam allowances. Now stitch. Our next step is take the second panel and put the bias tape on it. Stitch and wrap it up, you know. It's time to take our first panel and trim the excesses of the zipper. We should check the position of the zip head. Now we're gonna attach the panels and stitch along the line. Next, we're gonna take and put the bias tape. Then, pin it all the way around. Maybe you can see that I finished it sewing. Now flip it over for our next step. Now we're gonna attach the laces before wrap the bias tape. Now oh, my mistake. I'm doing letter stitch. Come on, keep at it. We've nearly finished. If you have already made this, you can try to make long wallets. Now give it a go and happy sewing!